Hi guys, Matthew Pearce from Sea Renity Marine. Today I'm showing you a Bertram 31 called Charisma. This is a nice big typical Bertram. She's only a 31 but she still has a massive back deck, beautiful teak carpets. The boat itself for its age is in very good condition. It's just had some new covers and clears put on it. Ready for summer. It's powered by petrol, 5.7s, shaft drive, which is very good for maintenance. It's actually quite tidy, as you can see. It's just had all new linings put through it. Customer's been slowly fixing it up. It's decided they want a bigger boat. There's the tender there on the floor. It's a dual station. Typical Bertram layout. It's not that much smaller actually than a 35. Double bunks, toilet, shower. Now it's very similar to a 35. And the master V-bath. As you can see, it's very clean, tidy. For its age, in my opinion, it's in good condition. Show you these beds again. There's your radios. A couple of lights for the bedroom. Fridge, freezer. Beautiful day bed. Dinette. Nice new roof linings, like I said before. I'll just walk out and I'll climb up the flybridge. Nice new clears, big window in the front there, windows in the side, new roof. Absolutely gorgeous day. Seats are all in good condition. Speakers, stereo. Once again, it's got the beautiful marine tough carpet up here. There's your controls. It's priced at $69,000. In my opinion, it's well worth it. It's in good nick. Someone that wants a great boat for summer. It's not that much smaller than a Caribbean 35 or a Bertram 35. I'll show you the back deck from up here because in my opinion it's massive. Anyway guys, my name's Matthew Pearce, I'm from Sea Renity Marine. This is a Bertram 31. If you'd like to view the boat, please call me on my mobile 0488 026 244. Number again 048 8 026 244. Thanks very much and thanks for watching. Bye now.